Dear friends, today we have a special video for you that can change the way you look at everyday life. In this video, we will discuss how to use fire, one of the most powerful forces of nature, to attract success, harmony, and inner strength in your daily life. This is not just a regular video, but an invitation to make a change. Firstly, I want to thank each and every one of you for your engagement, likes, and comments. Your feedback inspires me to continue creating content that helps everyone grow and develop. So please keep interacting with our channel. It is crucial for its promotion and my personal growth. I wish you all a great day, and remember that there is a fire burning within each of us that can light up even the darkest paths. Let's explore the world of fire together and discover how this element can be our ally on the journey to success and balance. Fire is not only a physical phenomenon, but also a powerful symbol of transformation and purification. For centuries, people have used fire in rituals to help them let go of old habits and beliefs and attract new opportunities. In our daily lives, fire represents inner strength, motivation, and passion. When we are feeling lost or lacking energy, turning to fire can help us find clarity and regain our focus. One way to connect with fire is through meditation with a candle. Find a quiet space, light a candle, and focus on the flame. Let the warmth and light of the fire cleanse your mind and fill you with energy. Another effective ritual is to write down on paper things you want to release: fears, negative thoughts, or limiting beliefs. Then carefully burn the paper, watching as it transforms into ashes. This symbolizes letting go of what no longer serves you and creating space for new beginnings. Fire can also be used to set intentions. You can light a candle and speak your goals and desires aloud. Imagine how the flame strengthens your resolve and guides your energy towards achieving those goals. It's important to remember that fire needs respect and balance. Too much can lead to burnout, irritability, and impulsiveness. Too little can cause apathy and a lack of motivation. To balance the fire, you can incorporate the elements of water and earth into your routine. Walking in nature, meditating near water, or taking a warm bath can help calm excess fiery energy and restore balance. Including fire in your daily rituals is a simple and effective way to maintain inner harmony. For example, lighting a candle in the morning to start the day with intention, or in the evening to reflect and thank. You could also use scented candles or essential oils with fire-like notes like cinnamon, orange, or ginger to boost energy and motivation. It is important to listen to your inner voice and emotions. If you feel drained of energy, fire can help ignite a spark within you. If overwhelmed, it can help let go of unnecessary burdens and focus on what truly matters. Fire also represents creativity and inspiration. Utilize its energy to bring your ideas to life, start new projects, and find innovative solutions. During times of doubt or fear, remember that fire can provide courage. Visualize your inner flame, illuminating the path ahead and helping you overcome challenges. Remember that fire is not just destruction, but also transformation. It helps us let go of what no longer serves us and create space for new beginnings. Utilizing fire in rituals may not be magic, but it can help focus our intentions and channel energy toward goals. Practice regular rituals with fire to stay connected to yourself and your goals. This could be a daily meditation, a weekly burn of old restrictions, or a monthly set of new goals. Share your rituals and experiences with others. Together, we can enhance the effects and inspire new ideas. Don't forget to thank the fire for its assistance and energy. Conclude each ritual with words of gratitude and respect for this powerful element. Maintain balance in all aspects of your life by utilizing fire as a tool for growth, change, and achievement. Remember that there's a flame inside each of us that can illuminate the path to our dreams and objectives. Revive it with love and intention. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey through the realm of fire. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a message about how you utilize fire in your daily life. Together, let's reach 10 likes, and I'll upload the next video. Don't miss out. See you soon, dear friends. May your inner spirit always burn brightly, guiding you toward success and harmony in all that you do.